Strength does not happen in a day. It's built, rep by rep, set by set, over months and years of just not quitting. Some days the weight feels impossible. Some days I don't want to be here at all, but I show up anyway because that's what building strength is. It's not about the PR, it's about the process, the discipline to keep going when nobody's counting but you. And when you commit to something like that, everything else has to match. The training, the recovery, the fuel. I take what I put in my body seriously because one doesn't work without the other. What you put in matters just as much as the work you put out. You can't fake strength.